Conversational Framework of Laurelad 2002. The teaching learning process possesses every complex task to allow learners to understand their lesson and master the skill they are expected to demonstrate. Conversational framework are gathering of data like a communicative, adaptive, productive, and action with a feedback to support to complete learning process. Example of framework. Teacher share the idea about the topic, then student ask the question of teacher. Then conservers conversational framework needed to communication to each other, then discuss and adoption are the most of learner action of teacher. Learning terms of events. There are 5 key teaching events in the framework which are identified as: first, acquisition; second, discovery; third, dialogue; fourth, practice; and last, creation. For the acquisition, learning action or experience are attending, apprehending, listening. Then, second of our discovery, investigating, exploring, browsing, searching. Then, learning action or experience of dialogue, discussing, collaborating, reflecting, analyzing, and sharing. Then, practice of learning action or experience are experimenting, practicing. Then, last of learning action or experience is creation, articulating, experimenting, making, and synthesizing. Teaching and learning events and associated media forms. Conversational framework (LCF) is relevant in the field of language education since this field requires appropriate and complex use of various technologies. The study investigated and relevant to evaluated the effectiveness of LCF and developing and writing components of foreign language learners. Communicative competence (BL) is blended learning context as compared to F2F is face-to-face. 3. Interact Classes Foundation Course. 3 Fundamental Elements of ICT Integration by Wang. The 3 fundamental elements is pedagogy, social interaction, and technology. Pedagogy is interact with content like language learning activities. Example na lamang, magbibigay ka sa mga estudyante mo ng activities or asking question your student, at dito natin malalaman kung gaano nag-e-effort o nakikinig ang estudyante. Or knowledge skill to be how are understand of the subject or lesson and how to applying the learning inside or outside the classroom. Then second, social interaction naman ay with people, like how to develop language knowledge and skill to your student, that the important. Example na lang sa groupings to how to cooperation to each other and to how communication and apply the knowledge to attention ng bawat isa. Kaya ito tinatawag na social interaction, emphasize how people react who in the present others. Technology naman like online class learning activities. Diba nangyari sa atin ito, halos technology na lang madalas natin gamitin sa paggagawa ng mga activities or kung paano makapag-discuss ang teacher dahil sa pandemic. Ginamit nila ito, ang apps na ito ay like Google Meet, Google Classroom para sa pagbibigay ng impormasyon or makapag-explain sila ng maayos.